first thrift store, I spent $42. So I got this vintage Old Navy pullover. It's like a quarter zip. It has like the classic kind of like Old Navy thing on it. It's like super soft and cozy. I also got this Everlast, which is the boxing brand, Everlast track jacket. It's like a velour, and then it has a silk hood, which is like really good for your hair. So yeah, this I thought was really exciting. There is this Ralph Lauren little, it's kind of like a sweater material. It's a cotton little mini jacket, so I'm probably going to keep this one. I really like it, so we'll see. I also got this waffle material long sleeve. It has a dragon and a yin yang sign, and then that kind of little, whatever that shape is, I don't know what it's called, using a barbed wire. And then, I don't normally like camo, but this is Russell brand. It's called Russell Outdoor, which I've never even heard of. I think it's like super vintage, so I got this anyways. I think it's really cool. So there's that. And then these I'm super excited about. They are Winnie the Pooh platforms. There was like a little bit of blue stain from the shoelaces, but it says Pooh on all the shoelaces. And then this is embroidered on there, which is really cool. It says Disney here. And they're a size 7. I wear 7.5, and they fit me perfectly. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna sell them on my Depop, but these are really cool. They're like super platformy. I'm obviously gonna have to give them a good little clean. But yeah, so these were a big find of the day. These are $8. I found this Hello Kitty purse, which has a little bit of I don't know, some markings on here, so I'm gonna see if when I clean it, if they'll come off. And here's the back. This is only $5. Interior is in good condition, it's just red. Yeah, so there's this cute little thing. And then this I'm really excited about. This is a little Gucci bag, which I'm assuming it is fake, but I was picking it up before I even saw it said Gucci on it. I liked this white contrast stitching that it has on here, and it's also like such a to die for shape. Oh my gosh, I'm dying just looking at it in this video. And then I saw it had the Gucci, and regardless that it's probably fake, I knew that somebody would want this. So I'll be posting this on my Depop soon. Probably gonna wear it once before then because, you know, it's pretty cute. So that's everything that I got at the first thrift for $42. That was the biggest purchase that I did today. So after that, we went to the outlets, and this is actually when you get to look through the bins that they have. So here's a screenshot of the prices that they have. It's only 79 cents a pound for the clothes, and then shoes are $3 a pair. So I only ended up spending $12 there for all of this stuff. So I got these really cool old Reebok shoes. I really like that the logo's in orange and it has like the orange detailing. These ended up being my size, so I put them on and I really liked them. So I'll probably sell them. They were $3, but I don't know, they're pretty cool. Got these just red little shorts. These are for myself. I'm super excited. Half of this stuff I didn't even really look at. I just saw it and was like, that's cool, I'm buying it, moved on. So these track pants, I saw that they were Nike and I just threw them in my cart because they're so light. They were probably like 25 cents. They're an extra large, so I don't know. We'll see how they look when I try them on because they're track pants, so I think they'll be fine. But so there's those. I also got these track pants, which are a brand I've seen before but I haven't bought. It's called Les Coq Sportifs. I don't know, that's what it looks like to me. It says it on the side, like right by the pocket. And then yeah, they're just like jogger style track pants. They look like they're probably like medium or something. No size. Cool, no size, so that's always fun. There's also this Nike shirt, which I just thought was kind of cool. It's like 50 cents, so like how could I not? This I thought was really cute. It's just like a little pullover. I think these are super cute, so I just went for it. I am gonna sell it. The brand is Caribbean Joe, Island Supply Company, so I thought that was pretty fun. So I got this. It's a really fun like blue color and it's oversized. I also got these Liz Authentic mom jeans, which honestly I think they're my size. Like they look like they're gonna fit pretty well. So I'm really excited to try these on. Then I got these little peach cozy shorts. The brand is American Sweetheart. They have a really cute tag. That's kind of why I got them, because I honestly don't love this color, but I like cozy shorts, so I might keep these. I might sell them. I don't know. And then these sweatpants. They're like a green gray kind of. They have a Goodwill tag on them, which is funny, priced for $5.50, and everything I got total was $12. So these were probably like 75 cents maybe. So yeah, that's everything that I got for $12 at the outlet. And then after the outlet, we went to a really small Goodwill, and I spent, how much did I spend? I believe I spent $11. So I got this Brandy Melville shirt, which I swear every time I found Brandy Melville, it's in the baby clothes, because like, I mean, this looks like a child shirt. It's not. It says princess. Yeah, it says princess on it, and Brandy Melville, so cute and tiny, like it looks brand new to me. The tag, it says it's $3, so it was the price of a kid's shirt, $3. Boom, definitely selling that. This I'm so excited about. It's so tiny, but it's a Powerpuff Girls shirt. I've literally not found anything Powerpuff Girls, and I've been just waiting. It's only $2.50, and the green tags ended up being 50% off, so this is $125. It like looks bigger than the shirt I'm wearing. It's just not like exactly stretchy. So we'll see if I can get this on my body, which I will be selling that on Depop as well. This, I couldn't decide if I should get it or not, but I decided someone would probably like it. It just says have a nice skate, and it's a smiley face with a skateboard. So super cute little penny tea thing. It's like new, so yeah, I thought someone would like that. So that's what I got. I got these 3 things. This was $3 as well. I found all 3 of these in the kids' department. I looked at the whole entire store. There was a really cute black leather purse I wanted to get, but it was too expensive. It was $8, and at that point I wouldn't have really profited much off of it. As much as I really wanted to get it anyways, I just decided to pass on it, because this was $5 and it's well worth more than the other purse that I didn't get, and then this was $8, but it's like a fake Gucci bag. So I justified these, but that one I just couldn't justify, so I passed on it. I'm probably gonna have nightmares about it tonight, being sad that I didn't get it, because that always happens. But I got a ton of good stuff today. I spent $65-ish, I think, on all this stuff, which is gonna be like hundreds of dollars of profit that I'm gonna make hopefully off of all these items. So I went to the thrift again and spent my last $11, and I got some hats. I went to this one I haven't been to before in Kentucky, and the clothes sucked, but they had some good hats, which kind of makes sense. So there's this one. This is LL Bean. Super cute. It's a little rough with the bangs. Patagonia. This one's so cute with the little tassel at the top. This one looks really good with my hair. Maybe I'll keep it. And then this Harley Davidson one has some like little gems. It's a visor, which I thought was pretty cool. It's a little big on my head. I have like a tiny head. But yeah, it's all pure. It's a little half pony or something. And then this little silver reptile skin 9 West purse, because I've sold a few purses like this and they sold like immediately. So this is like the exact same one that I had in pink, I think. So, and it's silver, which is super cute. So yeah. This is pretty small. It says it's a little like snug on my arms, so like I might sell it, but it is so cute. Like, does the hood fit? I don't want to sell it, but like it's not that comfy on me. You know, I'm like too strong. But yeah, it's like super cropped. And then with this, see. The jeans are too big. This will be a really cute outfit though. With a little purse. Or this one. Someone buy this whole outfit, please. So cozy. They match my hair. So they're like a little big. You know? It's not too bad. Gonna hold me.